See, the lockbox is wide open, but the door's locked.
Yeah. Hello?
Morning.
Yeah.
I'm over here on the lockbox open. The key's gone. Did you guys forget to put it back?
I think so. Let me call these guys, but I don't know if they could leave it there. Let me call this guy because the guy is there.
Oh, nobody's
Okay.
here.
Yeah, he's there. Oh, he told me I need some mud, so I go get it from Home Depot.
Mud? Oh, you
Mud
should
and
have told
tape.
me. I got mud. You should have told me.
Oh, shit, I forgot. This guy, I tell him, no, this guy, I live far, go get it. Because he said he needed tape and corny bits. Okay, so let me tell you this guy, no, I buy the mud. We'll move it really quick. Okay.
All right. This is nice. I like this.
Yeah, I got a top from before.
This is nice.
Boy, I got a question.
What's up?
So who does the work at your house? Did you just have somebody?
I got a couple crews I use.
Well, let me tell you what I'm about to do.
Listening.
You know what I want to start doing?
What?
I have like money sitting around. I want to partner up with somebody to do some houses. Can't be that hands-on, but I got the material. I forgot, are you the real estate agent too?
Yeah, I got my license.
licensed.
I only sell my houses.
Yeah.
I've never listed nobody else's house. No.
I don't even look for clients. If you're my friend, you gotta use me. Or we ain't friends. I
Bro,
don't know if you're like that. I'm strict
I
like
be
that.
pissed.
I'm strict like that.
I've told my wife, right? Because she got her best friend.
Yeah.
And she was looking for a house. And she told my wife, she's like, oh yeah, your husband got his realtor's license, so I'm gonna use him. She didn't. She went behind my wife's back, got somebody else and bought a house. I'm like, I thought she said she was gonna use me.
No, I don't play with stuff like that. If you're my girl's friend,
Best friend.
I'm paying for you guys married?
Yeah, we married.
Girlfriend?
Yeah.
I gotta pay for bills and shit. You don't want to put some money
All
in her
that.
pocket, our pocket?
$5
So we can all hang out?
$5,000 the dude made. I'm like, are you serious right now? We not cool. Don't even bring her to my house no more.
I'm the type, I'm like, I think that you're okay. There was, back when I started, people were f***ing me. Family.
Oh, yeah,
I didn't
yeah,
have
yeah.
my money. I'm like, damn, that 5K could have helped me pay some
Hell
bills.
yeah,
Y'all
for
take
sure.
away from like that?
I like
You take
this.
away from me? To give it to a stranger?
To a complete stranger. She didn't even know the dude.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Talking about, well, he had more experience. What? How much experience do you need to show a house?
I was buyer or seller.
She was buying.
Oh, you don't need no experience for that.
That's what I'm
The
saying.
inspector does the job, the appraiser does his
Yeah.
job. What you-
Can't stand that. I need a 24-inch. Preferably a, well, white would not be bad. The bathroom is gray. Would, oh yeah, this will work right here. Boom. I like this one. I think I found the one I want. I did not.
You gotta have thick skin in real estate.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah. I like that blue one. I like that white one. This is nice. This is nice too. Ooh, little daddy, 150. All right. This is something I need for my house. That looks fake though. Is this real?
One time,
No, that's not real.
guys, like, if you find me at the house to flip, I'll use you to buy, I'll use you to sell it. I'm like, okay.
He said he'll do what? Oh,
He'll use me to buy and sell it. I found him at the house, okay?
Mm-hmm.
He bought with someone else.
Oh, wow. Are you serious?
But 2 weeks before, he's a contractor.
Mm-hmm.
He did work on one of my clients' house.
For
She
real?
bought a condo. She wanted to do some work, take off some mirrors, some wallpaper, stuff like that. I'm like, hey, you want to go do, you know? I put some money in his pocket. I dropped him off coffee. He said, try to find me a house. I found my house. He needs me to buy it.
I can't stand people who do bad business, bro. I swear it irks my soul. Cause I give so many deals away. But whatever, I ain't tripping. I like this one too. This is fly. What's wrong with this one?
That one. Oh, the top.
Oh, you talking about this?
No, there's a parked right too.
Yeah, that ain't no big deal.
Ain't that bad, but
Oh, here too. Oh, it's cracked everywhere.
it was in the sink too.
Yeah. Damn, that would have been a nice one. So what am I looking at with the cabinets? Yeah, take the drill out. Oh yeah, I need a mirror too. Gold is straight, always good with gold. That orange is. Those are the ones I like. Well, like these two. I like this orangish color. That's kind of fly. Yeah, I like that color combination. That'll work. All right. As you can see, I am packed to the gills. So I got what? I got a base cabinet, 30-inch base cabinet, two 24-inch base cabinets, two 24-inch upper cabinets, and the 24-inch vanity and the mirror for $9.95. That's not bad. All right. Looking pristine. I like it. Need some Schluters. I'll go get them. Anybody else here? Anybody else here?
Yeah. The
Oh, okay. Oh, how's it going? Looking good.
Yeah, thank you. You wanted this keys? Oh no, change your keys, change them.
I got it. I got it with me.
Let me put
What's up?
I need the same paper.
How many?
What's this?
The blocks?
Yeah. Let's see.
Four, 3 or 4?
Maybe before.
Okay.
The medium.
The medium one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the one bag, the 45 minutes. You see, I have one patch right here.
Mm-hmm.
You see, 50 patch.
Okay.
After the 45 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, las lijas. Ya le dije. Oh.
That's what you talking about? Let me see.
Just here. The same size here. Or here.
For the handle?
What is it?
That's for this?
Yeah, put it, you put it.
Oh.
The same size here or here?
You can put it in the whatever's easier.
Okay. Whatever you want.
Whatever you easier. It doesn't matter. As long as it don't touch, too close. You said 45, right?
Yeah, one basket, 45 and
On the Sanders. Oh. How's it going?
This one is nicer areas.
Oh yeah, it's very nice. Yes. see what that right here. Ah. Okay. You got a marker?
No.
Okay, I gotta find a marker. You digging it? You digging it?
It looks. Usually the bathroom is like.
Spit it out, nigga. What's up?
Is the dimensions different?
What's a smaller bathroom? The dimensions. Where you from?
This way instead of like. I don't know.
I don't know either. It's honestly. Anyway, he ain't put the vanity in yet or the light or the mirror, but once you get all that, boom, boom, boom. I got the gray on the gray. I might do the walls. Like white. And an orange accent wall. You feel me? I'm thinking about it. Let me find a marker. This is the vanity right here. You want to got all this shit on it. Give me this. Just write it on there.
Pues por favor.
Yeah. Wall and the ceiling flat.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna go all flat. And then the molding is semi-gloss.
Mm-hmm.
Wall and ceiling,
Everything.
except for the doors and the
Yeah, I know.
upstairs too.
Is the same? The
Yeah.
same color?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All the walls
the same color.
flat white. And
Okay.
molding gonna be gloss white. And then the doors gonna be blue. I gotta get the color. I gotta go pick up the paint. It'll be
Okay.
semi-gloss blue. So,
Okay.
yeah.
I needed 2 more these. Plastic. 2 more.
Really?
Yeah.
2 more?
1, 2. And this one.
Oh, okay. So you need 2 more.
Yeah. Please.
Okay, I got you. This wall, let me see. Let me see. That wall, or no, should do this wall. Blue, the accent color. Yeah, this wall here is gonna be the blue, same color as the door.
Okay.
So, it's the only wall that's gonna be blue. Everything else white.
Okay. Yeah.
Blue paint. And
Yeah,
everything else
thank
white.
you. Okay.
Everything. You want me to write it? Everything else white?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you so much.
You need 2 more.
Yeah, please.
I need 2. Okay, that's it. Hello, close this door. I got it. Got it? Can you cut this?
Oh,
It's solid. It's solid wood.
I think so. Carry how much? How much height?
Need like 2.5 inches. So like.
I think so. Carry. Oh fuck. I remember.
Jesus.
Too much.
Yeah, but it's solid wood.
5 inches. It's no good. You want to change it for I don't know. I think so. 26.
Oh, this is a 30? They told me it was a
Yeah.
28.
28? For
That's
what?
what it, that's
For
what it
what door?
says right here. It
For
says-
what door?
This one, it says 28.
For what? Look at me.
No, it's not a 28. They lied. It's a 30.
It's carried 2 inches here. 2 inches here. It's not good. Look. 2 inches and a half. No sé cuántos cabinetes. ¿Sí?
Yeah, you take that out. That's fine.
Everything?
Yeah, I got the
You put it
cabinet.
new?
Cabinet's over there.
Oh, this is the count, the same.
Yeah, that's coming out too.
Oh, okay.
What y'all think of the blue? With the blue accent wall and the blue doors. So I went with the blue accent, well, it's like a navy-ish. It's not really a navy blue. I don't know what kind of blue I would call it, but what y'all think? And I also did the doors, the blue doors. Since I'm doing the whole house white, I figure I add color. I'm doing the doors blue, white, gloss trim. That way, it won't look all whitewashed. Nice and clean. You know what would be cold though? Instead of doing white blinds, I did like the wood blinds or something. Or even did the white blinds and spray painted them the blue color. That'd be fly. I might do that. I'll be thinking about different ideas. Keep it from looking like the basic house flip. You know? Anywho, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. Stop playing.